talking about pesticides, we need to understand we can't let pesticides get on our body or into our body. The routes of entry for pesticides would be respirating it, getting it in the eyes, which could get the pesticide into the body, possibly absorption, and also in the mouth. So it's vitally important to wear your personal protective equipment when you are using and administering pesticides. Again, follow label requirements for mixing instructions. Your PPE may be goggles, it may be facial shield, it could be Tyvek clothing. Another thing, when you get home, be sure and launder your clothing separate from your family's clothing. Never launder them together.